So now we are going to understand the lapply function. So lapply functions applies functions to each element of a given list, and it always returns a list structure as its output, right? And if we come here, we will say it apply a function over a list or vector, right? So if you want to understand and read the whole description, you can just go to this window, to the help window, and learn about what apply function does, but about what lapply function does. But lapply returns a list of the same length as x, each element of which is the result of applying this function that you specify in this argument, right, to the corresponding element of list x. So let us look at the example. So let us create this list and say we're going to create a list, right, and say we're going to just create random numbers from Poisson distribution. So I'm going to fast forward, and so I've created a list which contains numeric vectors, right, generated from a Poisson distribution. The first one with lambda equals 1, the second one lambda equals 3, and the third one lambda equals 5, right? So if I run this, my list, so I observe that I have created this list of numeric vectors. So if we want to use lapply function, we simply pass the list and the function to apply. So in this case, there is no margin because the data is already split into each element of the list. So if we say lapply and we pass in the list and the function to apply, so we are looking for the median. So what will this return is that it will return the median of each numeric vector in this list. So this is a basic understanding of lapply.